Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I make my ogbono soup and with bitter leaf soup. It is so delicious. And instead of using ugu or spinach, it is a substitute. So I am going to use all these ingredients on my table today. I'm going to use ogbono, I'm going to use ehu, I'm going to use oziza seed, and then I'm going to use pepper. I will use stock fish and chicken. The chicken is grilled, so you can use beef, you can use fish, you can use anything you want to use, but mine is a grilled chicken. Yes, and going to use oil, palm oil, original palm oil. Then I'll use crayfish. My crayfish is oporo, but I don't have the kind of crayfish you use, so doesn't matter. And I'll use dry onugbo, which is dry bitter leaf. I have washed it and then dried it in the oven. So I'm also going to use onions. Yes. So I will first wash my ogbono. You will say, why am I washing this ogbono? This is the second time I'm washing this ogbono. I'm only washing it to show you what goes inside this ogbono. See, you have to wash ogbono when you bring them from Nigeria because they transport it in so many places, so you don't know. It's dirty. It is dirty. Let's face the fact, it is dirty. So I do wash them, and then I would put them in the oven and dry them, and then I will put them back in the freezer instead of putting them in the kitchen. So this one I'm just showing you because I added a little bit of the one I bought from this store, and I'm using salt to wash it off, to wash the dirt off from the ogbono. There are too many dirt. Some people just buy the grounded one. If you buy grounded ogbono, my God, you don't know the orishirishi that is inside that ogbono they have grounded. You are just eating. You are eating different kinds of things. I'm sorry to say. If you know what is inside this all these foodstuffs, you won't blame the sellers because so don't mind the interruption. So I wash it clean, and that is it. So I am going to add them, put them in the blender to blend. So in this you can as well dry your own and then dry it and turn it to a powdered form. Yes. Put them in the oven and then dry them. And that is it. I put the crayfish. And I'm going to put the ehu and then the pepper. So this ehu is optional. Grind, 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 grind. And you want to grind this till it is completely clean, blended. And even if you find some of the that is not completely grinded, don't worry, use it that way. You wouldn't notice, but just make sure you grind it into a paste like a peanut butter. You see how it looks like? Yes. So I am going to chop my onion and then set it aside. In a pot, I'll add oil to it and then let it warm for a bit. So I am going to add the onion to cook for some time, like few seconds, and then add the ogbono. My camera went upside down, like left side. I don't know. I am left-handed here. I am not a lefty. Oh. I don't know what happened to this camera. But anyways, just turn the ogbono. Then I'm turning it and turning it and turning it. This oil is not too much. Oh. I'm just turning it. It looks much, but it doesn't. It is not. So allow it to cook. And then you keep turning to prevent your pot from burning off. Your soup from burning. Yeah. And then turn. Let it cook for few minutes. And then keep turning. Mine is a Dutch pot and it burns quickly. So I have to turn and then I'm going to add the stock fish and then add the chicken and turn it. See, you add anything you like, but me, I prefer dry my meats. So allow it to stay there to cook. Then I'm going to add maggi. You can add crayfish maggi. You can add any kind of maggi you want. Mine is crayfish maggi, and I am going to stir, allow it to boil, and then put my onugbo, the bitter leaf. It is washed already, so I'm going to put them in, and then the soup is getting there. Another left hand soup. Never mind. I am not left handed. Does it matter? Now, human being, they get left hand. They do left handed. To God be the glory. So just turn it, 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 turn it. And that is it. That is it. That is it. I will now add the fish that I grilled. I smoked the mackerel fish. I smoked them. Buy from the store. The stress is too much. Oh. You don't want your house to smell. If you can buy from the store, buy from the store. So the soup is ready. Absolutely ready. Gorgeous. Can you see that? Very, 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 very beautiful and yummy soup. And thank you for watching my video today. Until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.